Hello guys, today we will learn some new English vocabulary with Urdu translation. I don't understand. मैं नहीं समझा. I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't think. मुझे नहीं लगता. I don't care. मुझे परवाह नहीं है. I don't own. मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't play. मैं नहीं खेलता. I don't agree. मैं मुत्तफिक नहीं हूँ. I don't ask. मैं नहीं पूछता. I don't speak. मैं नहीं बोलता. I don't do that. मैं ऐसा नहीं करता. I don't forget. मैं नहीं भूलता. I don't go. मैं नहीं जाता. I don't have. मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't jealous. मैं हसद नहीं करता. I don't like. मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I don't believe. मैं नहीं मानता. I don't need. मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't mind. मैं एतराज़ नहीं करता. I don't pretend. मैं दिखावा नहीं करता. I don't like this. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and share with your friends.